Welcome to my barber shop. What's up with y'all? So today I'm gonna be showing you guys a little tour around my barber station, a quick little something that I wanted to make for you guys. And yeah, it's gonna show all my supplies, all the things that I need, my artistic side to my station. And yeah, bruh, I just really wanted to show you guys a little something. So yeah, let's get to it. First things first, I wanted to show you guys my chair. It's an all red chair, and it does what a barber chair does. It spins you around. It's comfortable. You can lean back on it. There's a lever to pull it down. It adjusts the neck area, back of the head area. And yeah, let's get started here. These are my fading brushes, just to clean up the hairs from the clients. Cool care. You need this for your materials down here. Yeah. Then you got the hair fibers that go on the hairlines, you know, to enhance the cut a little bit more. Just paint for the hair, basically. You got another bottle right here. You got the hairspray to make the hairlines a little bit more crispier, and then we got the single guards attached to it. Just something. Then more hairspray, just as it, fiber hold spray. We got shaving gel, and then we got some alcohol after the haircut. Clients need this. Then some talc powder, a little bit, just to knock the hair off the clients. And your regular, just your water sprayer. Then we got some olive oil. This is really good. After the cut, you make it shiny, crisp, make the whole cut just look nice. Yeah. We got another bottle of the Cool Care. We got my mirror, which is a little bit dirty. I'm gonna just get to cleaning that real quick. Then we got my poster of Bryant Jordan James. Then right here we got the guards, which is right now I got from 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I got the rest in here inside the barber side, which this is for cleaning your materials, so always have that around. Then you got another alcohol hair duster, and then another one right here. This is another hairspray, and yeah, this is good for hairlines. Then these are the derby blades that I use for my razors. So they're right here, keep them clean. Then we got the hair grips and the hair clips. So these are it. These are the hair grips, and then these are just to hold the hair in place. I ran out of the alcohol, and then so yeah, I just have the empty bottle right here, and then just some tonic. And I got all my combs in here too, but I keep all my combs in here. These are all the clean ones, but I only got one in there. Move on to this area. We got my blow dryer with some gloves that you really need right now during this whole quarantine with the Rona. Goes onto the hair dryer. Then over here we got my arsenal. These are just some shears, and then you got some other pair of shears. Well, these are hair thinners, these, and then you got my Babbles shavers. It's really hard to open, so I'll just open that in a bit. And then these are the Wall Seniors, and then they're the 1919 versions. So yeah, really cool clippers. These are my favorite right now, which are the magic clips. These are good for all hairstyles, all types of cuts, and they're dope. Then moving on to my bed list. These are my babies, my everything. Just know these are power horses. Like these will do the magic. These will do everything. These are for the hairlines, for the guidelines, for the bald lines, and then these are my other pair of shavers, the 5-star shaver wall, and then another pair of scissors shavers. And yeah, in this corner we got more Endless Cool Care, and then just a couple of oil blades, or oil for the blades, and then just I got a couple more blades for the actual clippers, and yeah, just something there. And we got, or let's just go here. We got my Supreme sticker, my Vans, Hoonigan, dollar bill, $2 bill, which is falling off. I'll just fix it a little bit later. My stickers that came with the trimmers. Then we got my artwork up here. The box for the 1919s. These are the whatchamacallit, the neck strips that go on your clients to keep them clean, not touching the actual barber cape. So look for that. That's really what you want right there. You want to keep your clients clean. And then Clorox, the wipes, disinfecting wipes. I don't know why I said it like that, Clorox. But then we got the another speaker. This is already the one that I use, which is the JBL, the Charge 4. Yep. And then so yeah, we got the word close to the exit. Here we just got another chair for the waiting area. This is my old chair, and yeah, that's about it in my barber station. To be honest, there's nothing really else to show you guys. Any questions, comments, or concerns, y'all just let me know. I'll be active in the comment section, so yeah, just let me know. Let me know if y'all like it. If y'all need any cuts, always let me know. Feel free to contact me. I'll leave all my information down below. And yeah, be smooth, y'all. I also did forget to tell you guys, be safe, stay home, don't get any haircuts. You heard it from me. But yeah, hang in there, and then you guys just stay safe, take care of your families. God bless you guys, and just stay safe.